Hey guys, how's it going? Budo Dude here, giving you another quick video to show you how you can use our new app StashSage to use machine learning to instantly price items in PathFX Style 2. I'm fairly behind this season, but I was doing a tier 3 map, and I found these boots. They're nothing great. They have 25% increased move speed, low value of life, good value of intelligence, decent fire resistance, and stun threshold. So if I'm using the app, I can use the basic default control 1 hotkey, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up two different machine learning predictions. The first one is based on XG Boost. What XG Boost is doing is it's going to use all the different items in our dataset, and it's going to try to learn the value of each different modifier, and then using your items modifiers, it's going to generate a price prediction for the boot. It's also going to tell you whether it thinks it's low, medium, or high value within that category. So immediately we can see that the price prediction is generally low, 7 exalts, and it's low, so this item's going to be hard to sell. You can even call it trash. The second prediction that you're going to get is based on similar items using k nearest neighbors, and what that is going to do is it's going to find the 3 most similar items in the dataset, and it's going to, from a mathematical perspective, and it's going to return those items so that you can view them, and it's going to baseline the price prediction based on the price of those items. So the only thing you need to be careful about when using KNN is that if an item is priced like a troll post, like let's say that an item is very similar to yours and someone just was a troll and priced it at 10 divines, that might show up here, and so you just need to be a little bit more vigilant and use critical thinking when evaluating. That's why we give you both the median and the mean, because if there were a troll post where this were 10 divine instead of 10 exalt, then the median would still be 20 exalt, and the mean would be extremely high, right? The mean gets pulled by outliers, so you just gotta be careful with that. But anyways, we can see that the prediction from the similar items is very similar to the 7 exalts with the XG boost. The median is 10 exalts and the mean is 11 exalts. And you can also see that these items are fairly similar to ours. They all have intelligence, stun threshold, fire resistance. This one doesn't have life. Intelligence, stun threshold, fire resistance, life. Intelligence, stun threshold, fire resistance, life. The only difference is that this one boot here has 5 more move speed than ours. So if we wanted to change that and we wanted to enforce that we only wanted to see other boots with 25% move speed, we could use the control 2 default hotkey, and we can enforce that we only want to see 25% move speed boots in our similar items results. So if I enter that and hit apply here, you're going to see now this blue equals 25, which means that the user specified that we only want 25 here. And you can see that all these items now have 25% move speed. It didn't change the result because coincidentally the other item that got substituted instead of that previous 30% move speed boot also had a price that resulted in a median of 10 exalts and a mean of 11 exalts. The only other thing I'm going to show you here is how to use the API. You can join our Discord and use the free API if you don't want to download the app. You can just control C copy the string of the item. You can go to our Discord bot, you can paste the string here to StashSage serve, which is available in our Discord, and it's going to return the predictions that are going to match what you see in the app. And here it says 7 exalt from XG Boost, 10 exalt from KNN, or similar items, with a median of 10 exalts and a mean of 11 exalts. And here are the 3 similar items that got listed that match what you see in the dashboard of that. So appreciate you watching the video, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.